Hi, I'm Vince DiLorenzo, the Dynabrade corporate trainer, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to change the contact arm on a Mini-NitroFile. The method for this contact arm change also applies to our industrial version of the tool, the Mini-Dynafile II. In order to change the contact arm on this tool, you'll first need to remove the belt, and you can do so by removing the swivel cover, swiveling it out of the way, and then you'll need to release the pressure on the belt. You can do so by using your index finger and your thumb and squeezing the tension arm and the housing. Again, this will release the pressure on the belt, and the belt can now be removed. At this point, you want to hold the tool in an upright position, placing your thumb over the contact arm just to ensure that it doesn't fall down if you're not working over a table. And then you can start to unscrew the tracking knob, moving it in a clockwise rotation. Unthread the tracking knob completely, and in this example, we're going to be replacing the standard contact arm that comes with the tool, a 15026. This runs a 1/2 inch wide by 12 inch long abrasive. And again, in this case, we're replacing that with a 15029. The 15029 is an offset contact arm, and it has a V-shaped contact wheel capable of using 1/4 inch wide by 12 inch long abrasives for a variety of different applications. When replacing your contact arm, you want to ensure that you use the tang, the metal tab, have the tang facing down when you're replacing it into the tension arm. So again, with the tang facing down, reinstall the contact arm or install your new contact arm into the tension arm, re-threading the tracking knob, this time going in a counterclockwise motion, and it helps if you press the contact arm down to relieve some of the spring pressure. And you're going to thread the tracking knob in until the contact arm is just about parallel with the housing. Once your contact arm is parallel with your housing, you can now install your new belt. You'll do so by relieving the pressure on the tension arm, on the spring, by depressing the tension arm. Keeping that held in, you'll take your belt, form a loop with your belt, and place it around the drive wheel. And then while still depressing the tension arm, place the front of the belt around the contact wheel. You can now release the pressure. The belt should have tension on it now, and you can adjust the tracking as needed to ensure it's sitting on the contact wheel properly. Replace the swivel cover back over the housing and belt, and now your contact arm change has been completed.